Hello and welcome to the Philippines. I was invited to take a look at a one-bedroom unit at Marco Polo Residences in Cebu City, Cebu, the Philippines. They've got a big hotel up here that's very popular, and they've got, I believe, four condominium towers. I think there's a fifth one planned as well. I've done a couple videos in the past year or two, and this one is a fully furnished one bedroom, pretty nice size, and we'll take a look inside. This is the pool on the outside. That is tower 3 and 4, and we're going to look at the unit in tower 2. I am not a realtor, real estate sales, not involved at all. I happen to have a camera, and I started taking videos of condominiums as salespeople would invite me. A lot of interest from people who are interested in renting and investing, and so I continue to do that. Here's a look from down further. It's up on a hill, and let's go in and take a look. 105.
Strong wind.
All right. So 12th floor, 1205.
Yeah.
All right. And one bedroom? Oh, the wind is blowing. Inspire, lead a creative life. Have fun, be strong, don't let your dreams scare you. Do your best, just laugh. Good to see that every morning.
Yeah. So I'm inspired, so this
Okay.
kitchen. You want some water?
No, I'm fine, thanks. I'm
Okay.
fine. All right, you got, oh, that's the Wi-Fi there?
Yeah.
Okay. Is that a PLDT?
PLDT, yeah.
Okay, fire extinguisher. Kitchen, built-in stovetop, exhaust fan, and exhaust out.
Few basic things.
All right, all your plates and cups and things that you need. Plenty of water pressure,
It is.
microwave. That's nice,
Yeah.
that shelf there. And a nice big refrigerator. This unit is 40 square meters, I believe, which is about 430 square feet, converting that. And nice size. It's laid out decent size. The couches are more comfortable than what I've seen in some places that I've looked at. You've got a couple you got windows in the living room as well as the bedroom to let in some natural light. Decent size television there. Now the Wi-Fi is PLDT, and it is my understanding it's not actually hooked up yet. I was able to get by putting a deposit down with PLDT, I was able to get a no contract arrangement. And my partner took care of that, and all the discussion was in Bisaya, so I didn't understand a lot of the details. But I put either 4,500 or 5,000 down so that I would not be penalized by a 2-year contract, something like that. I'm not sure the details, but it is available, I understand, so that you can walk away from a thing after 6 months and not be penalized credit-wise or. Anyway, lots of storage, decent size. That's queen size bed. I like the fact that it has a counter there. A lot of these places they have a sink there, no counter space to put anything, and you also have a mirror, and you've got 2 cabinets attached to the wall. Now, that's almost very, very, very rare. Get cabinets like that to store items as well. So where do you put your stuff? And an enclosed shower,
Later.
hot water,
That's the washing.
washing machine. Is that a dryer also?
Yeah.
That dries the clothes, huh?
Correct.
Okay. And you could put some shelves up above this
Yeah.
for a little bit of storage as well. Right. Was a little windy that day. There was a typhoon that brushed the eastern coast of the Philippines. We had a little bit of a wind. You could hear a little bit of dogs out there, dog barking out there. The nice thing is when you close the windows, they seal pretty well, better than some places, and that shuts out most of the noise. Good amount of cabinetry in the kitchen, and very livable space in my opinion, and gym and pool. I will put the contact information for this lady, Rowena. I will put that in the description, and I believe they're asking um, two different levels. They have a parking space available. If you want to use the parking space, 27,000 pesos per month. If you don't use the parking space, 25,000 pesos per month. You can contact her for any additional details. I often get for any negotiations on whatever. I often get people asking me in the comment section, what about this, what about this? And I don't have all the details. There again, I'm not an agent. I don't have any authority to do any negotiating or answering other specific questions. So contact Rowena. I'll leave her email and phone number. Now, these people, they also have a unit over on Mactan Newtown, and hopefully I will get over there next week and take a video of that as well. I've done a number of videos at Mactan Newtown. Nice area. Many different commercial and residential buildings over there, so hopefully I'll get over there in the coming week or so. I will have another video up. Number of pools, we'll take a look at the hotel lobby. They've got a big, nice restaurant. I've eaten at many times, and look around at their pool as well. This is a video I took of the just coming out of the big restaurant they have up there quite some time ago, and my image stabilization is not that good with this particular camera I was using at the time, but anyway, you'll get a good glimpse of the large lobby area, and I've had a number of expats, tourists come in here, and I've met them up here for breakfast or lunch, and been up there with a number of other expats. They put on a pretty good feed up there, so worth considering. And I know that they have run pretty good specials for their rooms different times also. So like I said, there's an alcohol ban now, so I think you can buy alcohol, take it to your room. But this was some time ago, big lounge area, and they had somebody playing the piano there, a piano bar type place. And then we'll take a quick look out at the pool area as well. Here's a little bit of a look at what they did have in the past for their big buffet. This is just a little part of it. They put on a pretty nice big buffet up there. And this is in the hotel area. They've got the hotel, and then they have 4 big condominium towers. And I think there's a 5th one as well. I think 3 condominium towers are presently occupied, and I'm not sure about the turnover of the last one, what the schedule is. If somebody can correct me, I did not look up the latest information. And this is the hotel pool area. Very comfortable. They had an outside bar there. I'm not sure what their food arrangement is during this present economic situation. Many restaurants have cut back their menus a little bit, but you can inquire on their Facebook page if you'd like. And I was up there as a typhoon was brushing. It didn't really affect the Cebu area so much. Northern Cebu got a little rain and a little more wind than we did in Cebu City. But we did get a little bit of breeze off and on during that particular day, and the areas up in Samar got hit pretty good with rain. Catanduanes up in Luzon, different places in Luzon will probably even get hit today, and over 300, 400 millimeters reported in some places. Now there's the Marco Polo Hotel. This is Tower 1 going around to Tower 2, 3, and 4 down there. Anyway, I'll put the contact information in the description. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I'll see you next time.